Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So let's start trading. Okay, so if you analyze the market here, it is pretty much sure that the market wants to go down, but because momentum is happening in the market right now, momentum is going on, so no issues. I need to analyze the market, so I need to draw a few levels. So now you can see this is the level. Okay, so this is the level, and now I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Why? You can see here, if you analyze this market here, this is a ranging market. Okay, so this is a ranging market. So now there was a gap, and now you can see market gave me here the entry point, so it means that market is following this level. So therefore I will get here a confirm winning trade. Now you can see market has to go up again, and it has to close as a bullish because of this gap. If you're having here a gap, so it means that you can get here a continuation or reversal sign in the middle. So now you can see, because of this big gap, I took my trade because market closed exactly at the level. Now if I analyze the market here, next level is here, so this is my next level. So because of this gap, market gave me a bullish candlestick, but it means that now this is opposite in color, so we can expect here a continuation sign also. So I will explain that in my next video. Okay, so let's continue trading. Okay, now you can see market gave us here this candle as a continuation sign, and still I am seeing here a bearish candlestick. Why? Because there was a gap, and because of this gap I am seeing here another continuation sign, so therefore next candle went down. So let's see. Okay, Euro USD. Now if I want to analyze the market here, you can see here these are the levels, and market is making its formation in this zone. So now after this candlestick, can I go here with the buyers or sellers? I can go here. Okay, again I can go here with the sellers. So I have taken my trade in a down direction. Like, if you analyze this market here, you can see here from this point buyers will enter into the market, and now you can see still I am seeing here a gap. Market is making a new low, and it is a downtrend movement, so therefore next candle has to go down. And now you can see market is going down from this zone. So this time if you analyze the market here, this ranging market is done. So this ranging market will not work anymore, because we are seeing here a strong candles breakout. Okay, so now you can see again we won this trade. So okay, let's analyze the market here. Now if I zoom out the market here, what I am seeing here, I am seeing here reversal areas like this is a visible, so I need to check this area. So here I am talking about this area. You can see market is reversing from this zone. I am not talking about the middle areas, I am not talking about these areas. So I am talking about the visible areas like this, like this, like this, like this. So these are our visible areas. So now can I go here with the buyers? I have taken my trade here in an up direction Y. Now if you can see here, if you are in the market and you are seeing here the market is a trending market, and now on the left side you need to check the level. So I also did this thing and I want to go and check the past. Now you can see market reversed here, so these are the visible areas, and again I am seeing here another visible area. So it means that market has to go up. So this candle closed here. Now I can expect here a buyer's entry. So let's see. Okay, market is giving us a confirmed winning trade. Now you can see I won this trade here. So I took here 3 trades in this session and I won all of them. Because you can see here, if you analyze the market here, you can see here this is a ranging market. Okay, so this is a ranging market. Why? Because market is moving in this zone and in this range. Now you can see it is a ranging market. So you can use these levels here. So you can see you will get many winning trades. So I took my trade here because market closed exactly at the level. This is the buyer's area. So because of that I took my trade and I won this trade. So now if you analyze this market, I took my trade here in a down direction. Why? Okay, let me set the line here. Now you can see here I took my trade here because of this spinning long leg spinning top, and it made a new low. So it means that this trend will go down, and therefore I took my trade here. Now you can see because of this I took my trade and I won this trade here. So now after that I took one trade here. Why I took my trade here? As I showed you, you need to identify the visible levels. Visibles are those levels where you can see a clear reversal areas. Okay, so these are your visible levels, not in the middle. These are your visible areas. So these are our visible levels. Now you can see they are very much clear. Okay, I'm not talking about these areas in the middle. You can take your levels like this, clear levels. You can see here these are your visible levels. These are your visible levels, so they will work most of the times. Okay, so therefore I took my trade. Now you can see I took here a visible level, this one. I'm talking about this one. Now if I zoom out, now you can see this is a visible level. So on the left side it is giving me an indication that it worked. So therefore I took my trade here with this level, and now you can see I won this one. So this is how we can take trades on support and resistance, and I took trades on the ranging market. So try to learn all these, and if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye. So you can join our Telegram group and you can join our trading skills group and try to explain each and everything. And now you can see, if you want to see that how I am drawing the level, now you can see how strong this level was. Market closed exactly at the level, and now you can see again market is going down. So it means that our way of drawing the levels is very perfect and accurate, so therefore we are winning the trades. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed weekend ahead, and try to share, comment and subscribe the channel. Bye for now.